As a young female engineer, I really think Foth has provided me an opportunity to have inclusive project teams, office settings, and they really show that inclusivity through their values here. I chose Foth because it presented an opportunity for me to not only really utilize the skills that I learned in college and through my higher education, but it also presented an opportunity for me to constantly branch out and learn new things, and that cutting edge is really what I was looking for. Since starting here at Foth, I've been professionally supported in so many ways, but I've been personally supported in more ways than I ever imagined from an employer, and I think for my family and for myself, that's been invaluable. In working on our clients' toughest challenges, my coworkers have really pushed me technically, and it's showed me I'm capable of so much more than I previously gave myself credit for.